Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day today. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 different cozy DIY gifts that you can make for your friends and family this holiday season. I love how all of these turned out, and they're just really fun little projects to do, and they make thoughtful gifts. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in with the first one, and this is a candy cane sugar scrub, which I think is so fun and it smells so good. I love the pink color, and it's just really fun to mix up and super quick and easy as well. So you are going to need a cup of sugar, and then you will add to that a tablespoon of coconut oil to start out with, and I went ahead and mixed in about 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. So I'm just mixing that up here so that the coconut oil kind of blends in with the sugar since it was more solid. And then I also added a little bit of olive oil. I would recommend that you use almond oil or something like that that is more clear, but I had olive, so that's what I used today. And then I added a little bit of pink food coloring and then just mixed that in until my whole sugar scrub was that nice pink color. It looks a little more orangey here on camera than it did in real life, but I love that color that it gives to it, and those couple of drops won't really affect it. If it's a little bit too grainy, you can add a little more oil to thin it out and then transfer it to a cute jar. Like to make my DIY gifts look a little bit more festive, so I decided to add this pretty burgundy ribbon to this jar, and I think that looks so cute with the pink color of the sugar scrub. And then for a gift tag, I just added this Rifle Paper Company gift tag, which is almost as big as the jar, but I think it looks super cute and the colors look really nice together. So up next, I wanted to put together a little hot chocolate kit. So I love how this turned out. I think it's super cute and really easy to do. You can make your own hot cocoa mix. I actually have this one from a local ice cream shop that I really like. So I added that to a little mini mason jar with some chocolate chips on top. You could use whatever toppings you wanted. And then I put the lid back on the jar, and I love that this jar fits in this teacup. This teacup and saucer are thrifted, and I think that could be a super cute gift to use, a little vintage teacup and saucer. You'd have to know who you're giving it to, whether they would like that or not, but I love how it looks. And then I also wrapped up a marshmallow in some plastic wrap to put with this. You can make your own marshmallows. They're really easy to do. I had these from that same ice cream shop. And then I topped everything off with a candy cane and then tied it up with some ribbon just to make sure everything stays in place. If you were worried about it, you could tape some of this down, but I think that it stayed pretty securely. And then lastly, I put together this really pretty jar of bath salts. I love the rosebuds that are in this. So I started with about a cup of Epsom salts and then added to that some organic rosebuds. I used about a cup of those as well. I found these on Amazon and they were pretty affordable as well. I mixed in about a tablespoon of coconut oil and then a few drops of rose oil. This is diluted with jojoba oil, so it's not super strong smelling, so you want to use quite a bit of it. And then I just mixed all of that together until the coconut oil was really mixed throughout. I added a tiny bit more salt to mine just to make it grainy, and then I transferred it to a jar. Super easy, and you could just add a couple scoops of this to a bath and it would be super nice and super pretty as well with those rosebuds. And then I added a little ribbon to this. I just used a black ribbon on this. I thought it looked a little bit more classic and elegant with that gift. But yeah, that is all 3 of my DIY gifts. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these. They were super fun to put together. I love doing this kind of thing this time of year. I know it was a quick video, but I will be back with another one on Monday. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.